Today we're gonna play airplane. Whoa. Okay, so let's just click play and see what happens, okay, baby? Join in. I am pretty tall.
I wear a size 13 Nikes. I was born without arms. Maybe I wasn't clear. Men's size 13 Nikes. Beat that.
Is my game lagging? Or like, is it broken? Yes. Okay, let me join in here. Ready. I'm ready. Start the play around the game. Alright, cool. I am on CF10. Okay. Because, okay, whatever. So, I'm getting my seat. Hello, Captain Rock. Captain, hello.
Captain! Yep, yeah?
Not good word. Hello everyone.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 886.
Oh yes. Thank you.
We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our
means that we're going to arrive in destination like anytime. Okay, I feel free. Okay. Where's the toilet? Where's the toilet? Okay. I am back from a massive poop. I'm back from a massive dump, okay? Where's my seat again? Here it is. There you go. Okay, where should, oh my gosh, that guy's mean! Actually, okay. Okay, come on, just end the timer already! Oh, it finally has ended. Whoa. That guy just puked. That guy is speaking some weird JoJo language. Puke. Yes. Puke. Yes. Puke. Yes. Puke. Yes. Puke. What did you just say? Tayan's mother. Wait, what did he sing? I don't know. He said like Tayan's brother or something, mother or something. Oh, yay. Thank you. Thank you a lot. Thank you. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering a sandwich. Oh, yes. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. Let me just go. Let me see. Where's my seat? Can't eat this while I'm on my seat. There you go. What? Do you want venom? I'm not feeling very well. Okay, you're not feeling very well? Okay. Mayo? I'm allergic. What a coincidence, man. What a coincidence. Quickly, we need to find the medicine. Dude, don't close that, man. Oh, that's... Dude, what are you doing? Aw, man. Venom found it himself. Oh, no. Oh, okay, I got the wrong one. Oh. Alright, let's just sit here again. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you that we researched an unstable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay. Good night. Remember to stretch your legs. I just took a nap. Okay, whatever. Okay. Well, no, shake, 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 shake. Okay, so we got, guys, look, what is that on the right thing? Oh, that's weird. Oh my gosh, that's probably like a free model they found and then just coded themselves. Okay, just kidding. JK. You will not survive! Okay, I'm supposed to make a voice. Oh, yep, just stand on the chairs. That's all you gotta do, just stand on the chairs. No, because... just look at the snakes, it's like, oh my gosh, they're up there, but I can't go up there. How, man, how, and then just, the monsters are saying, staring at us and saying, Dylan, get out the chopper! There's gunmen inside there! There's gunmen! Get out of there! Alright, where's the open restroom? Get me in! Okay, I'm gonna take a dump, be right back. BRB. Okay, I just took a dump. I just took a dump in front of everyone. Are there any baby wipes here? No? No toilet paper? No? Well, I guess I just have to risk it. Okay, that was scary. We should discuss what the heck happened in happening. Oh. Okay, that's weird. Well, whoa! Okay, so, back here. You know, I feel like if you see a monster, what about you just stay in the bathroom? Okay, what about you stay in the bathroom? Okay? I'd rather stay in the bathroom. Okay, so, sitting back here, same place. I think this game is kind of, So, look at this, just look at this. So cool. I think I played this game before, but I forgot, I don't know. But, your attention, passengers! I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up! Yay!
Shut the fuck up, Vince.
Yes. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Masks will drop over your seats. Take one quick. Okay. You can literally just buy them. Like, I wonder, like, if you bought these on, like, on the Roblox Avatar shop. Well, I wonder what happened. You just have to get it. I don't want to overlap it. I wonder how would that be. Well, yep, that's pretty painful. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Whoa, this is cool. How come I still have my seat ticket? Okay, whatever. What's so cool right now? Oh my gosh, what is this? It looks like a bomb! Oh no! Oh no! What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Okay, everyone, come down. Cut the cables. Stay safe. Booga booga booga. Let's go. Scissors. Yes! Let's go. I found the scissors. Like, which cable should I cut? Blue. I will cut the blue. Alright, I think that was the wrong one because this is red. Yep, it'll run! Yes! I saved it! Now everyone come to me! Oh, whatever. So... Yes, let's go. How did I prepare just opening stuff? Okay. I slept well. We haven't had the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everyone's okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. So... Oh, first class. I want to be in here. Ah, these look nice. These look sweet. Indeed. Okay, we haven't heard of the crew. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I found them! They're unconscious. Wait, where? We need to alert the captain! Quickly, get to the captain's room! Something is happening inside! Captain might be in trouble! Oh no! Okay, let's donate the code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up! Hurry up! Okay, I don't even know where the passenger, like the crew members are. They're probably on the other side, but I'm too lazy to check. Because I am cool. Alright guys, if you actually meet somebody that's unconscious, actually go to like the hospital or something, because that would be not good. Okay, so, you're holding your ticket right now? Yes, we are, oh. It's the creature! You will pay for what you done there! Okay, he has Arnold Schwarzenegger's voice for death. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. Okay, how? I brought you here! All of you! Okay, what are you gonna do to us? Huh? First of all? That is not possible! Yes, it is! And it is! No, it's time to die here! Well, I guess we're dead. Bye, everyone. So, see you in the afterlife! Whoa. Oh, nope. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. That is weird. That's crap. Whoa. The captain is unconscious. Oh no! Look at him. Oh no! This time. Okay, I stop. Our planet is falling. What are we gonna do? What about we just stop complaining? We need to find the autopilot button. Okay. So just click. Oh yeah, we can click everything. Find the button before we die. What about we don't click everything and we just find like the other way? Oh, that was fast. Oh my gosh, that was really fast. Okay, cool. We got it. Yay. We got it. Yay. We did it. We've saved the plane. Woo! I enjoy like a judge of me right now. Oh, wait. The airplane doesn't even look like an airplane. Look at that airplane. It doesn't look like an airplane at all. It just looks like a piece of an airplane. But I don't know airplanes. It looks like an airplane, but it's not really an airplane. And also the captain should be like way bigger than this. It should look like this. It should be all the same size. But I'm not judging. I only need a help. What about we do the Jackie Chan thing and we jump out the window? Oh, we don't do that. This game is I'll stop. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
Yeah?
Yes,
You okay? Autopilot mode is on. Okay, cool.
okay. We've traced your location and we're taking control.
Wait, okay, cool. But how come we can't get out of here? I want to get out. Oh my gosh, what the? Well, rip-a-doo. Finally found the phone goo. Found the phone goo. Oh my gosh. So, someone said to the co-pilot on the... Okay. Baba booey. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, I guess we survived. Yay. Okay, cool. I don't know where the heck am I. Oh yeah, there I am. Hi camera, how you doing? Take my beautiful face. Huh? Oh crap. Oh yep, I want to get out of here. Why did we agree to the plan? Since clan said, oh no, it's back! Mwah.
You humans are funny.
Sound like mischief.
Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, Mars blocks.
1973?
Crash this plane, and we will rule the underworld for eternity.
What? This has to be done.
Foolish humans! All this time you trusted Mars blocks 19,
And he was always...
on my side. Now take us home, Mars Block 1973.
Yes, master. Whoa. That's some weird stuff right there, man. I mean, we're sure gonna survive. Don't we? Oh. Okay, cool. Did it? Victory? Hey, cool, we did it, yay. So, yeah, I played this game a lot. I haven't played this game a lot, but I played this game before, so, yeah, I hope you have a fun day. I hope we had a fun day playing Airplane. So, yeah, peace out, and, bye.